Alright guys, so thank you for watching this particular video. This is a project I actually love. Like, playing this is actually fun, right? So I'm going to teach you all the steps you need to go about in playing this particular game. This is just like cartism in kind of sports. So we're going to go into the system and see what we are going to be doing right now. If you can see from my side, you can see my respect is actually improving very fast and going up. So I'm going to show you how you can currently upgrade yours also. So the first thing to do is to register. I'm going to send a link to register the description of this particular video, so you can go ahead to start playing right now. All right, so let me upgrade this particular account. So right on Cartizin, we notice that we are going to be swapping our card into two and converting it to two, right? So I'm going to do this one also with that. All right, so let me bust all the surprise cards, open them just this way. So once I open them, I'm going to match them together. Then I'm looking for a good color that actually meet up together, right? So I'm trying to check the color. So I have red here. Okay, I have yellow here, so yellow can come to this side, yellow to red can come to this side, this to this can come. Then if I upgrade this should upgrade me to level 6, right? So currently you can see I've unlocked the red car and I'm on level 6 right now. So that is how to upgrade. All right, so how do you get all these boats, right? So how to get all these boats is by doing this particular, is by playing. So the way you play automatically is playing like this and is doing the drive, because it's called the drive party. So as the drive is actually coming up, you are going to be seeing the surprise pumping into your log. So it's going to be getting full right here, you can see. So the more the drive comes in, you can see another one, right? So I'm going to claim this also, right, and open. So if I open this, I keep upgrading. So the higher you upgrade, the higher you actually get to, the higher you get more, right? So I'm going to do something right also. All right, so I have this, I have to wait for more cars to be able to upgrade, right? So let's go into how to get more profit on this. So if you come to this side, you are going to see N. So if you come to this particular N right here, if you click on, if you scroll up, you are going to complete most of these tasks. So we have a lot of tasks right here we need to complete. So we are going to complete, let me see a task I can currently check and complete, right? Okay. All right, so let me boost this channel. I'm going to click on start, then boost. Okay, it's currently now available. Let me check another task for all so we can see, right? So let me join their chat on Telegram. Yeah, I click on and I join. So I'm going to come back here, then check. So unavailable, I'll check later. All right, so that is how you're actually going to be doing your tax right here. So how to connect your wallet into this platform is currently here. So you click on this particular one, you click here. Okay, get I have this already, so click on this, check. Yeah, so because I have premium already, I'm on premium, so that was how I was able to get that. So it has increased already. So if you want me to make a video on how to become a premium user also, you can drop it at the comment section. I'm going to make further video about that. All right, so you click on connect wallet, right? So you click on complete task. All right, so right here you need to connect your wallet. So you click on connect wallet at this particular site. I'm going to be connecting my Keeper into this. So all I need to do is just to come right here, just the same step we've been doing for all airdrops. So it's actually the same thing we're going to be doing on this also. Then waiting for this to load so I can connect, and let's go back. So I still have a lot of stuff to show you on this particular platform. So if you actually go ahead and maneuver, go up and down into the game, you are still going to see a lot. This is actually fun. Like, the game is actually fun to play, not just like cartism that you have to be going with cards that you're not familiar with, right? So I think it's connected successfully, but it's actually not showing right. Let me refresh. All right, so it's connected successfully, right? You can see I have connected successfully. So two things that we're actually working on is the draft, which we have gotten this, and also the ticket, right? So let's go back into the plot and let's see. So okay, we've completed this. Let's claim already, and our stop has increased. So let's go to draft, right? So if you click on this particular, the upgrading, you need to be upgrading your mining. So right here for the mining, you need to be available at level 10. So right now let's try to upgrade to level 10. To be able to get that, I need to try to upgrade to level 10 so I can start getting the other profits, right? So level 10, level 10. All right, so we are going to complete all these tasks. So by doing this, your stuff is currently increasing, and that is the beauty part of it, because you have to increase your level while doing this particular stuff. Yeah, so I'm now on level 7. All right, so if I can do this more, and if I see I'm going to enter level 10, right? Okay, so let me boost. I'm going to boost. This is actually for free, so I'm boosting this already. You can see the stuff has actually increased. Then this is boosting because I don't want this particular video to be too long, so the stuff can actually come out in full. All right, so the car is driving massively and the stuff is coming up. So if I want to I have stuff I can actually increase also. You can see we have, just like Cartesian, if I click on this now, I can actually reduce my respect, and because I don't want to reduce, like one of these is actually like 51.2k, and I don't want to, one of this particular one is 51.2k. So if I click on it, it's going to reduce my respect right there. So, and I don't want to reduce my respect for now, so that is why I'm not going to click on that. So I'm going to wait for it to generate them for me, right? So I'm still going to be making more further videos. So all you need to do is to stick to the channel and be here with us. So we keep upgrading day by day, and yeah, I still need one more. Okay, yeah, I can upgrade to level 8, right? So these are how we are going to be upgrading your platform. We are going to be upgrading day by day, right? So you can invite your friend into this platform. It is quite easy to do, right? So that is currently how to play this particular game. If you actually find this particular video interesting to you, do well to the subscribe button and like button, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.